Okay guys, riff of the week this week is Shine by Collective Soul, and we are going to be in drop D tuning, so your low E string needs to be tuned to a D, and then we're only going to be playing this on 2 strings. You're going to be playing your 4th string open, and then you're going to be fretting your 3rd string. And the only frets that we're going to play are your 7th fret, your 9th fret, your 11th fret, and we're going to jump up to 14. And that is it for the main part. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start on 9, and we're going to quickly hammer on or slide up to 11 and get this. Then go back to 9, and then down to 7. So we're going to get this. And then we're going to do that again. We're going to hammer on from 9 to 11, and then jump up to 11, and then come down to 7 and go 7, 9, 11. So that second part, and then all together we're going to get this. And then we're going to come down and play a C power chord on your 5th fret. So that's your 1st finger playing the 3rd fret on your 5th string, and your 3rd and 4th fingers are playing the 5th fret on your 4th and 3rd strings. And we're going to play that and alternate lifting your 1st finger off to play your A string open like this. And then we're going to switch to a G power chord with your 1st finger on the 5th fret of your 4th string, and then your 3rd finger playing 7 on your 3rd string, and your pinky playing 8 on your 2nd string. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to be playing those 3 strings, but then you're going to lift off on your 1st finger and alternate the same way. So all together, the main riff goes like this. And then you repeat that. That makes up the verse. But the part everybody wants to know is this. And all you have to do for that is in drop D tuning, we're going to play your open power chord, we're going to play your 3rd fret power chord, and your 5th fret power chord, and we're going to jump up to 6. And you put those together with a little bit of rhythm, and we get this magic. And that is Shine by Collective Soul. Have fun with that, and if you want to learn some more cool beginner guitar riffs like this, click on the link below. Here's a video with some more for you, and I will see you in the next one.